Hi and welcome to Create Academy. My name is Merlin and we're looking forward to welcome you to our SketchUp Beginner Course, Learn 3D Modeling from Scratch. The 3D program SketchUp is ideal for beginners because of its intuitive user interface. We will be able to transform our own ideas into a finished 3D model very quickly. But before we start, we would like to introduce the course and the Create Academy in more detail. So here we go. Our SketchUp Beginner Course, Learn 3D Modeling from Scratch, is aimed at beginners without previous knowledge in 3D modeling. The total course runtime is about 3 hours. However, the videos are not longer than 15 minutes, so you can learn the individual topics quickly. As already mentioned, we will use the free 3D program SketchUp. Our course goal is to learn how to use SketchUp effectively while understanding the principles of 3D modeling. Therefore, we practice our skills on sample projects to be able to create our own 3D models by the end of the course. All courses made by Create Academy are divided into chapters and episodes. Our beginner course includes 4 chapters. In chapter 1, we will learn all the basics of SketchUp, and we will also model a residential building at the end of the chapter. In chapter 2, we will deal exclusively with solids. We will first learn about them in theory, and then we will model our own solids in SketchUp. In chapter 3, we will provide you with the individual parts of a Mario 3D model, which has to be put together using the SketchUp tools. In chapter 4, we will wrap up the whole course by learning how to use textures to add structure as well as colors to our models. At Create Academy, we combine our expertise in digital product development with digital courses. But we don't just want to pass on our knowledge, we also want to help you in word and deed. For general questions, you can reach us at any time on our social media channels. The links can be found in the video description. If you have questions concerning the course, you can directly use the comments under the video on YouTube. And on our homepage, you will not only find an overview of all of our courses, but also course materials such as free 3D models and textures. Furthermore, we will keep you up to date with informations, news, and blog posts. And that's it for the introduction to our SketchUp Beginner Course, Learn 3D Modeling from Scratch. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel to support us. You can also activate the notifications to keep track of every upcoming video. In the next episode, we will start with the course and we will get an overview over SketchUp. So I will see you there.